you can probably already tell by the amazing intro I made. Just anyway, I just wanted to say I am a rabbit for this video. Yeah. And I've just walked into a clan. So I want to see the reaction when a rabbit walks by. Ah, wolf! I hope I don't get I hope I don't get eaten by anyone here. That would be terrible. Hop! I don't want to learn about mushrooms. I'm Tyler. Hello, Tyler. Lashes. I can roleplay too. Come on, fight me. Fight me. Fight me. Fight me. Somebody. Fight me. What? Rawr. Yum, people. Hi, I'm Easy. Well, hello. I am a male. What did I? I am a meal. Eat me. I want to shout you out in my video. Okay, shout out to Smith1096. Hello. Hey, you are the rabbit that ate me. Hello. Wow, your butt smells nice. What am I doing? Hello? Rabbit. Rawr. Rawr. Okay, let's give them some better prey. Crushes. Snow Leap. Why am I doing this? How do I crush you even more? Roar! What's happening? Roar! Die! What am I doing? Crushes everyone! And leaves. What did I just do that for? Seriously. Like every video I have a different den. This is so strange. So this is my new den I decorated. Kind of half decorated. There's me and Wisteria Moose. Yeah. Weird den, I know, right? But like, yeah. Who cares? Woo! What did I even do this video? I think I'm. Wow. Oh, you're pretty. I like your look. I want your Jamality. Pow! I will give you a leaf and a hula skirt. Yes. Hello. I didn't know this is a holy party. Wow! Elf bracelets! Elf bracelets! Elf bracelets! You get elf! Elf! Oh, you get angel wings here too. Elf! I want them! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ah! They're doing it with me! Let's play pest control. We'll get money for that. Blah! I'm choking on my own spit. Seriously. Let's try easy because I don't go hard very well. Ooh. I don't do hard mode in any games very well. Da 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 da. Eat all of them up. Da da da. Eat all of the ants. Da. I ate my ant. I ate all my ants up. Wait. Ooh. That sounds. Ugh. This is what you're supposed to do if you didn't know. Perfect. Why did I crush a snow leopard today? Now I'll start getting the purple ones! And after that, I'll buy elf bracelets because I love them! Hey look, their tails are hitting each other in the face! No hiccups, please! Or nah! Hello? Die! Such a child-friendly game, I know, right? Now I put snakes. I go easy mode because I get gems! Now can the game please finish? I want my gems. Let's just wait until I get a couple. So how has your guys' day been? And just to let you know, if you watched one of my previous Animal Jam videos, it was called Necklace to Spike Challenge Fail. And yeah, I tried the Necklace to Spike Challenge and I totally failed at it. The giveaway has ended now, so I'm just going to keep all this stuff. It was so mean. I'll have to transfer it to my backup account as well. Which is, yeah. Yay! I got 296 gems. Elf bracelets. What? I got elf bracelets. They're so cool. Yes! And a unicorn. I am truly a unicorn. I got elves. Elves. I got. Okay. Horses only. Woo! Does I win? Does I win anything? No! I hate this party. I only like it for these elf bracelets. Let's look at the other parties. Wow. A trading party in 9 minutes. Let's end it in better. No. Okay, so I'm gonna have to end the video here. So I'm gonna end in my new animal. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video and good.